Sat Shri Akal, all of you. Kumusta, Posalat, and hello. How are you, all my friends? I hope all of you very well. Hello, all my friends. How are you? So now I want to translate my previous premiere, because on that day before tomorrow, I think for 13 May I have a premiere. So that premiere by mistakenly I upload there, and because the premiere is in another language, so maybe you all of you, my Philippines friend and Indonesia, Taiwanese, and from different countries you belong, but mostly Philippines friend, so they didn't understand what the meaning of that. Actually, this is the speech of our the Sikh religion. Someone criticize of Sikh religion, so I need to give answer of that. So I need to give upload video and need to send any other group, but because of any issue I didn't understand, so I uploaded. So I need to translate of that. Okay, let's start. Actually, one person is here in the Punjab. His name is Rahul Arya, and one person is in the New Zealand. His name is Harneek Singh Neki. You know, some are traitors in the, some person are traitors in every religion. In your religion also, in the Christian religion, Muslim, Hindus. So of course, in the Sikh religion also, some are traitors. So one person, Rahul Arya, he belongs from Hindu religion actually. So he want to make misunderstand and proving wrong to everyone that Sikhs belong from Hindu religion, and they all are Sikhs. They are all Sikhs are belong from Hindu, because their grandfather or father, blah blah blah, and their saints, which we call our gurus. We have 10 gurus actually. So they teach us the way of God. They never say that we are God, but that person Rahul Arya, he belongs from Hindu religion. So we respect of all religion: Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Parsi, Jain, Buddhist. So we respect to all religion, but we don't have right to say like that Christian belongs from Yahudis, or Muslim belongs from Christian, or blah blah, like that. We don't need to actually forcefully. Actually, we don't have to say like that. We don't have right to say like that. Muslim belong from Yahudis, or Christian belong from Yahudis, or Sikhs belong from Hindus. Whatever they are before, it's okay. Whatever now, what's the present? Present is that our religion is different. Actually, the big religion is humanity, and of course, someone understand or not, we all are the children of Adam and Eve. Actually, if you all are my Christian friend from Philippines, so actually you know also, you maybe you read the Bible. I don't know about Bible actually. I am clearly telling to you, I don't know about Bible. I don't know about my holy book. I don't know about any other holy book. But I know one thing only. I understand one thing only, that humanity is a big religion. Your blood color, your color of blood is red. My color of blood is red. So what is the difference between? We all are brothers and sisters in all over the world, because we are the children of God. But these types of person, Rahul Arya, and Harnik Singh Neki from New Zealand. Harnik Singh Neki belongs from New Zealand, and Rahul Arya belongs from Punjab. So he always say like that Sikhs belong from Hindu religion, their gurus, their saints belong from Hindu religion. So I taken birth in the Sikh religion, so I love it. If you are in the Christian religion, so you love your religion already. How can I can forcefully convert you in my religion? This is not good. So this is the thing I want to say on that. Actually, I want to give the speech, and I want to give the answer to Rahul Arya that if you are saying that you are a Hindu, actually I am not saying bad to any Hindu religion. I am clearly saying that I respect to all religion, and all my friends know about me, mostly all my friends know about me also, what I am. So if you are saying like that, I am just giving an example that if you are saying like that you from Hindu religion and your forefathers, your grandfather, your blah 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 belong from Hindu religion. So let me tell you one thing. We don't want to be a part of that religion who say like that you are a lower caste, we are upper caste. Yes, of course. Our gurus, our saints teach us that saints or gurus means here teacher. They are our 10 teachers. So they told us the way of God. They teach us there is only one God. Same as Bible. Bible also say that there is only one God. So how we were upper and lower? If he is saying like that you are the part of Hindu religion, so I want to let him confirm that our gurus say that in the Sikh religion there is no racialism, no casteism. We just break it. We are not Hindus. We are only Sikhs, and Sikhs are different religion. In America, if you go in the USA, in the Canada, in the Australia, in the Philippines, wherever you go, we mention as a Sikh, not as a Hindu, and we have a gurudwaras, not a temple, and the process of marriage are totally different from Hindu religion. We never. I'm sorry, some Christian. Some Christians believe in the statues also. So it's your religion, and I appreciate. I never say that you don't believe. Of course, you believe because it's your religion. You have freedom in your country. There's a democracy. So in our religion, we never believe in statue. We only believe in our Guru Granth Sahib. And I'm again saying that I don't know so much about our Guru Granth Sahib, but my religion is Sikh. If somebody put the point without any reason that you are a Hindu or blah blah blah, so it hurt. So that's why I make that video. So I want to give to any other group, so by mistakenly it upload in my Premiere. So I was shocked on that time because all of you cannot understand. So I hope what is the topic of that, so hope you understand. Finally, I want to tell you what's the purpose of that the purpose to upload that videos. The purpose to make that video is that the Rahul Arya says that mention as that Sikhs belong from Hindu religion. Sikhs are Hindus, but I am explaining here that we are not belong from Hindu. We are different from Hindus. We are Sikhs. We have gurdwaras. We have our own holy book. That's Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and our all procedure of marriage and our culture, our dresses, totally different from Hindu religion. But that's not mean that we never respect of any religion. We respect our religion. We respect Hindu religion. We respect Christians, Parsis, Jains, Buddhists. All religion we respect, but we love our religion first. And moreover, that humanity is a big religion, and we all are the children of God. And maybe in the Bible, I don't know it's written in the Bible or not, but I'm sorry if I'm saying that Adam and Eve is on the earth, so we are the children of that. So we all are one. Where is the religion? It's only by man-made. God never made the religion. It's man-made. Adam and Eve on the earth, they have children. After that, they have children. Suppose my father name I know, my grandfather name I know, my grandfather's father name I know. Before that, I don't know. You also don't know. Nobody know. So we are one somewhere. This one I want to teach that Rahul Arya, and by mistakenly I upload that premiere here. So sorry for that because you all of you never understand. So thank you so much. Mega love shout out and thanks for watch my video. Hope you understand what's the purpose to make that video. So if any fault, if any mistake I say, if I have any mistake, so I'm sorry. I don't want to hurt any religion. So thank you. Sat Shri Akal. See you.